Um, so we have the right side with the details. If we have Toyota with engine, if we click on another appointment, will be updated with the latest selection. If we click again on the latest selection, the pop-up will be closed. We can enter in a full page details view to see on a bigger screen where we have the same options with new status and the all the details. We have the scheduler, the calendar, where we will be able to see the SOS requests that we have, a calendar that can be selected to see the appointments. At this moment, we have some appointments on 5th of August. As you can see, at 10 a.m. we have Toyota with engine problems, and at 14 we have another Toyota with brake system problems. We have a counter, how many appointments we have. Today actually is the selected date, this week and this month. If I remember well, these dates are at this moment mock data. Just make sure that the API code is working, but once we integrate the full new appointment flow, this will be automatically updated with the appointment that we actually have. We have another view for the calendar, the week view, where you will be able to see all the appointments on this based on this week, and a month view based on the whole calendar on the dates with a counter on each day for the appointment. We have the settings part of the seller. We have the calendar setup, where we can set the default appointment length. The threshold is automatically calculated based on the default.
I love this.
25%.
Yeah, this really gives the mechanic. Really gives the mechanic a lot of choices.
Yes.
This is beautiful.
We are able to set the working hours for each day just by edit the calendar setup. I can change the default appointment length to 1 hour. The threshold will be automatically calculated to be 25% from the default. And you can, for example, I don't want to work this Friday. I will deselect the Friday, save it. And if I go on the side panel, you will see that the Friday is closed right now. I can
I love the
start
mission.
again the Friday, and maybe also add an extra time. I will just add something.
Oh, that's amazing. Very important. Yes, very important.
Save it. And you can see that on Friday I have 2 times, 2 intervals that I'm working on. This is the service info, where we have the logo, a short description, a location, phone number, email, my service scheduled, and some services that I provide to the client.
That's the special things. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. It's so simple. So it's very I don't know what other it's an elegant website. It's very elegant.
Simple to start, which is the most important.